about the people. In this project, I'll try to make everything about the recording searchable to help people, attract people to discover the beauty of classic works. The user is going to be pianists, piano students, lovers of piano music, and collectors. When I think about recordings, some terms come to my mind and I list them and try to define them as you did in the lecture. I think it's not enough for the ontology project, so I draw 4 diagrams to illustrate the relationship between these terms. The first diagram is about one particular piano music work. It has a title, has composer, and composed date, and belongs to a particular period. The second diagram is about the album. Everything has have a connection with the album, including composer, performer, company, title, mediator, and other things. The third diagram is about the relation of persons. This relation could be very complex. So this time I just select friends, monster,